Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. So today I have this really cute sweater nail design. I just think it came out so cute and I'm so happy that I recorded it. So yeah, let's get into it. So I just went in with like a nude that I was using. I believe it was called Undressed. I will link it down below along with anything else that I used. So I'm just gonna go in and start drawing my lines, and I'm just making them a little bit thicker, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make my cute little design. And then I just like to break it up into parts so that way I'm not like rushing to get anything done. So I'm gonna do this part, and then I'm gonna add the clear powder on top of it, and then cure, and then go on to the next section. So I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch that really quick. So when you're breaking it up into pieces like this, just make sure that you dust it off really good, because if there's any like powder residue left on there, it's gonna give it like a weird texture. So, or it might like make your art not like glide on the nail correctly. So yeah, just make sure that you dust it off really well and then go in with your next design. And again, I'm just doing lines and dots and squigglies, and I don't know, I just came up with this like on the spot, but I think it came out so cute. So this is the last little section of the nail, and I just think it came out so cute, and I'm loving the sweater design with like the same color, like the nude on nude to me. Oh, it just looks so pretty. So I'm going to show you guys what it looked like from like my phone view. Like, look at that. Like, it looks so crisp and so clean. Oh, I love it. And then I'm going to show you guys with the flash. And again, this, like, I don't know, I love how it turned out. I just love the whole nail. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looked like applied. I think I'm going to make a full set of these ready to ship because I'm obsessed. And then every nail is just going to be different. So stay tuned for those. I'm super excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I was able to teach you something, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.